We were out of town and a pipe burst in an exterior wall and ran for about 4 days while we were gone and destroyed about 90% of our house.
They had a neighbor that had done a renovation. It looked beautiful and it really opened up their space. And when we were ready to do that renovation, we knew who we wanted to call.
This new space has really changed the way I think that we interact as a family. It's so central to our everyday life. Breakfasts, even making lunches for the kids for school. It just really created a really nice central area, and it opened up our house. And when we come in and we do social events or have friends or family over, the flow is just excellent, and we always get compliments about it.
I really liked working with Tom. He was excellent at his communication. If I had any concerns, he addressed them really quickly. I was able to talk to him about changes and make adjustments as the project moved forward. I also really liked the design team. They were able to come out here and show me samples and even look at the lighting and how it flowed with the house. So I really thought they did a wonderful job pulling the whole project together.
People need to know when they work with Lane Homes, they're going to get absolute quality for the money that you're spending with Lane Homes. From the planning phase all the way to the end final walkthrough, it's all professional and it's all exactly as you would hope it would be.
I would also add that they were excellent in getting everything done on time. They had a deadline, and I believe they actually beat the deadline by 2 weeks. And it was a huge project, so they were fantastic with the time and letting us know where we were in the process. So I thought they did a fantastic job.